Studying for exams is broken. You read the textbook, highlight everything, and remember nothing. You stay up late rereading notes, and the next morning it's gone. What if you had a tutor that was available 24/7, never got tired, and could explain the same concept 10 different ways until it clicks? That's what I'm going to show you today. No fluff. Just how to actually use AI to study better. Most students spend hours on passive studying, reading, rereading, highlighting. The research is clear, this barely works. What actually works is active recall and spaced repetition. But doing that manually takes forever. You'd need to create your own flashcards, write your own practice questions, build your own study schedule. Who has time for that? Today I'll show you 3 things you can do with TeraAI that replace hours of passive studying. I'll walk through each one step by step, and you can follow along, it's free. Step 1. Actually understand the topic. Go to TeraAI.chat and sign in. You get 150 free credits per month, that's enough for serious studying. No credit card needed. Here's the trick, don't just say, explain photosynthesis. Give Tera a specific audience. Explain it like I'm 10. Use an analogy. This forces it to simplify instead of dumping textbook jargon on you. Look at that analogy. Plants are like tiny food factories, sunlight is the power, water and CO2 are the ingredients, and sugar is the product. That's something you'll actually remember. Way better than memorizing chloroplasts convert light energy into chemical energy. Now ask for real-world examples. This connects the abstract concept to things you already know. That's how memory works, new information sticks when it attaches to something familiar. Step 2. Test yourself. This is the most important part. Reading feels productive, but it's not. Testing is where learning actually happens. It's called the testing effect. The act of trying to recall information strengthens your memory more than reading the same thing 5 times. Tera generates 5 questions from the topic you just studied. Multiple choice and short answer. Try answering each one before you look at the answer. If you get it wrong, that's good, it means you found a gap. And here's where it gets powerful, tell Tera which ones you got wrong. It'll explain the correct answers and even give you memory tricks. That's personalized tutoring. For free. Step 3. Build a study plan. This is where most students fail, not because they don't study, but because they don't have a plan. They cram the night before and forget everything. Tera builds you a realistic 7-day plan. 1 hour per day. It mixes different types of studying, reading, practice questions, review. And it accounts for the fact that you have school during the day. This is way better than study everything the night before. And you can customize it. Tell Tera which days need more focus on your weak areas. It adjusts the plan for you. Step 4. Summarize. If you have pages of notes, you don't need to reread all of them. Ask Tera to pull out the key points. 5 things you absolutely need to remember. Now you have a focused summary. These 5 points are what you review the day before the exam. Not 20 pages. Just the essentials. Bonus: ask Tera to turn those points into flashcards. You can use these for spaced repetition throughout the week. Here's the honest assessment. AI doesn't replace studying. You still have to put in the work. But it makes the work smarter. Instead of 4 hours of rereading, you get 1 hour of active studying that actually sticks. The 3 things that changed for me: I understood concepts faster with personalized explanations. I retained more because I tested myself. And I studied more consistently because I had a plan instead of cramming. Is it perfect? No. Sometimes Tera gives explanations that are too simple or too complex. You have to adjust. But for a free tool that's available 24/7, it's the best study partner I've found. Try it yourself. Link is in the description. It's free, 150 credits per month, no credit card. If this video helped you, subscribe for more AI study tips. And drop a comment telling me what subject you're studying. I'll make a video on that next.